As night falls, many cats transform into vibrant little night owls, showcasing their natural hunting instincts. They leap and pounce around the house, showcasing agility and keen senses. This behavior is completely normal and stems from their ancestry as crepuscular hunters, most active during dawn and dusk. To manage their nighttime energy, owners can engage them in play during the day, catering to their need for activity. After satisfying their playful urges, cats might settle down, allowing everyone in the household to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep.